I feel robbed by several questions.
Yeah.
Same.
This game always starts out fun, but it somehow sucks the soul out of you by the end.
Oh, gosh.
Bandwidth for Changelog is provided by Fastly. Learn more at fastly.com. We move fast and fix things here at Changelog because of Rollbar. Check them out at rollbar.com. And we're hosted on Linode Cloud servers. Head to linode.com/changelog. This episode is brought to you by Rollbar. Move fast and fix things. Resolve errors in minutes and deploy with confidence. Head to rollbar.com/changelog. Request a demo. Get started today. It's loved by developers, trusted by enterprises, and most of all, we use it here at Changelog. Move fast and fix things with Rollbar. Once again, rollbar.com/changelog.
Welcome everyone to JS Party, your weekly celebration of JavaScript and the web. The much anticipated return of JS Danger is here. Thanks to our friends at HalfStack Online for including us in the conf. We had a blast playing the game with you. Let's do this. Danger time, y'all. Hello, and welcome to JS Danger, our Don't Call It Jeopardy game show, where 3 contestants put their web dev knowledge to the test. I am Alex Trebek. I am Jerod Santo. And I'm your host today. Let's get to know our contestants. First up, Emma Bastian. Emma, you hold 2 JS Danger accolades. The first one is you're the inventor of this format. And the second one is you are the lowest scorer in human history.
Okay, go big or go home, Jerod. I don't like to half. Can I say that online?
No.
Okay, I don't like to not. Never mind.
You can't not curse.
Thanks for having me.
Happy to have you. Suze Hinton is here. Suze, you're a long-time partier, but you're a first-time dangerer.
Yes, that's right.
Does that mean you're nervous?
I've done JavaScript trivia games before, but I haven't done it on the spot. And that tends to be, like, this is basically interview mode for me, where I forget everything I know because I'm on the spot. So it's going to be funny, I think. That's
how it works for everybody, was what we're finding. Divya is back. Divya, you are used to dominating our debate episodes, but how's your trivia game?
We'll see. I don't want to preemptively make any claims.
Okay.
I'm not American in that way. I don't automatically I win.
Ouch.
What are you throwing shade right now? This is starting.
She's on her game. She's ready to play.
I just, at every opportunity, like to mention to everyone that I'm not American and I'm not associated. I just live here.
Well, here's how the game works. We have a game board. If you're watching on video, you're enjoying that. If you're listening on audio, have no fear. We will post the video somewhere. Of course, this is a podcast, so it will sound great. And you can play along without the video, but it's a nice companion. And we have categories. So there are 3 rounds. Round 1 is trouble. Round 2 is double trouble. And then the final trouble will finish the game, of which we have 5 categories, 5 questions. If you've played Jeopardy, you know what it's like.
I think I need Jeopardy explained because it's very confusing to me and I didn't grow up watching it.
Okay.
I'm not from this country. And then also, all I know is that you ask questions to answer, and that's very confusing to me. So I'm sorry, I wasn't briefed on this.
We can get rid of that rule for this if you would like.
Yes, we will not dock you technically. We will probably correct you out of habit, but we will not dock you. So yes, the clues are given in phrase form, and the answers are in question format. So if it's a person, you say who is. If it's a thing, what is. And you just prefix your answer with those prefixes to make it question sounding, but we're not going to hold it against you. Here's how it works in terms of the game here. It's a little bit different than the typical Jeopardy where you buzz in because latency and internet and timing. So we go person by person. So Emma is first. Emma will pick a category and a point value. I will then present that question just for her. So she has then an opportunity to answer that in the form of a question. If she misses it, there's a chance to steal. So it will go in order. Divya will have a chance to steal. She can pass. Or she can try to steal. If she tries to steal and gets it wrong, she also gets negative on that question. If she steals it, she gets the points and it ends. If Divya passes or gets it wrong, Suze gets a chance to steal. Same rules apply to her, and then the next round begins. Any questions?
What do we get if I win? Okay.
You get to totally redeem yourself.
Thank you.
So for round one trouble, our categories are array prototypes, the Internet of T. Answers in that category, in that column will all begin with T. Name that stack. Turns out JS, which are all things that compile to JS. And it's all HTML semantics. Emma, the board is yours. What would you like to select?
Maybe I'll start off like decently not balls to the wall. Let's go for HTML semantics for 300, please.
For 300. This creates a disclosure widget in which information is visible only when the widget is toggled into an open state.
What is an accordion? But that's not an HTML element.
Can I steal?
So we'll go to Divya for an opportunity to steal.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know what the rules were.
It's all right. You'll be next. Emma, negative 300. Divya, chance to steal.
What is the select element?
Yeah, that was my second guess.
Incorrect.
Okay.
Negative 300 for you. Suze, would you like to steal?
What is a detail element?
Details.
Oh, man.
Nice.
This element is very popular on GitHub because you can put it in your issue and you can put a stack trace or a long piece of details in there and it will toggle, the caret. It'll hide it by default. So
I use
very
it
good.
for things like logs. If you want to show like a stack trace in a GitHub issue, but you don't want to like have this long scrolly thing for people,
Exactly.
It's very helpful.
So there you go. Suze steals the round. She's got 300. Emma and Divya starting off rough.
Thanks, Jerod. Thanks for the encouragement.
Let's move to the next question. And how do I do that? There we go. Still first time board user here. All right. So it goes now to Divya. Your turn to pick a category and a point value.
All right. Can I do name that stack for 200?
Name that stack for 200. This stack would go well spread on a piece of toast.
I love that this is for Divya too.
Yeah.
Wait.
This
I got it.
Hold on.
stack would go well spread on a piece of toast.
This is brilliant.
What is... Oh my gosh. Why am I like blanking on
You're
this?
either going to get this right or totally hate yourself.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not view.
This stack would go well.
Jerod,
spread
you're
on
being a
piece
little
of
lenient
toast.
with your time, sir.
Jamstack. What is Jamstack? Oh my god.
That is correct.
I was thinking framework for a second and I was like, there isn't one. Okay, yeah.
Okay,
I was so
you
close
get-
to stealing that.
Yeah, you're right. I waited a little long. I got to be more of
Yeah,
a...
I feel
I'm
like we need
sorry.
to deduct points from you as a host.
Well, I'm giving all my points out, so I don't have any left to give. That being said, Suze's turn. Suze, the board is yours.
Can we do the Internet of T for 200, please?
The Internet of T. The heart of every HTML document. Remember, answers in this category all begin with T.
The heart.
This is the heart of every HTML document.
So like I'm getting really esoteric and I'm thinking like the heart is kind of in the middle but or kind of on the left. Which like I can think of one element that starts with T, but
Go ahead and give it a guess or we'll have to count it wrong.
what is text?
Wow, you got it. Text. Of course,
That's the hot.
of course,
Really?
text is the heart of every HTML document. What's on the inside? It's all text in the middle. Yeah.
Okay. These questions are so obscure. I'm going to lose again.
Good job, Suze. You're killing it with 500 points.
Oh no, it's going to be big and it's luck and then it will just die. That's okay.
Emma, the board is yours.
All right, let's go to array prototypes for 300, please.
Nobody likes to start off easy with the hundreds. This is interesting. Okay, array prototypes. This extracts a section of the calling array and returns a new array.
It's either... I'm not going to say it because if I get it wrong, I don't want the next person to get it. What is slice? Yay! Okay. I always mix those up.
Nice job. Slice it is. You are now back to 0 points. You're out of the red. Okay, Divya.
Good.
I'll do a 100. I'll do, let's see. Turns out JS for 100.
Turns out JS for 100. Google's language that compiles to native machine code got its second win thanks to the Flutter framework. Is this for 100? This is hard.
This is 100. This
My
is
bad.
really hard.
It sounded easy when I wrote it.
Google's language that compiles to native machine code.
Are you familiar with the Flutter framework?
I'm not.
Okay. Well, give it a guess. Give it a goog. You're running out of time.
Yeah. I don't know. It's not what is some native thing?
Okay.
I don't
Opportunity
know.
to
Yeah.
steal. Divya goes down by 100. Suze, you're up to steal.
Is it what is Dart?
Oh, Suze going to kill us.
What is Dart? Good job,
Yeah.
Suze. With the steal, 600 for Suze, and it is now your turn as well.
Oh, can we do it's all HTML semantics for 200, please?
You bet. This represents text, which is highlighted for reference or notation purposes.
This could be a couple of things. As usual, it's very ambiguous.
Ambiguous.
Represents text which is highlighted for reference or notation purposes. Is it... I'm just going to go for it and not waste time.
Okay.
Is it what is quote?
Correct. Sorry. Emma for the steal.
I'm not stealing this one.
Emma passes. Divya, would you like to steal?
Represents text which is highlighted for reference or notation purposes. Wait, what category is this under again?
This is under, it's all HTML semantics. These are semantic HTML elements. You can pass. You do not have to steal.
I feel like I'm already losing.
Okay.
And I don't know if it's a good idea to just guess.
So you can pass. You don't have to
So-
steal.
I will pass.
Okay, so the element which represents text, which is highlighted or marked for reference, is the mark element.
It's a very ambiguous question. That's all I'm going to
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
It takes so much heat here as whoever wrote these questions, we'll fire them and we'll get somebody.
It was definitely Nick, wasn't it? This is the kind of stuff Nick enjoys.
It could have been. I'm not going to
Or
say.
Dylan.
I'm not going to say who it was.
It
Okay.
was Nick or Dylan, or both.
So that was Suze's question. So now it's Emma's turn.
Can I do array prototypes for 400, please?
You bet. This returns a new array that is the array joined with other arrays and or values.
What is concat?
You are correct. And I lost my soundboard, so I was like furiously looking for it. The array prototype concat will return a new array that is the array joined with other arrays and or values. Very good, Emma. You now have 400 points, and it's Divya's turn. Emma knows her array.
I do.
Let's see. Let's do something easy. HTML semantics for one. You know what? I'm just
I don't know.
not gonna
this
say
one,
The
this one
100s
topic
are-
area is very tricksy.
Okay. A section of a page whose purpose it is to provide navigation links either within the current document or other documents.
What is navigation or nav?
I'm going to need one or the other.
What is nav? Hooray!
Nav. very
I feel
good.
like it's unfair to use the word in the phrase, but that's just me.
It's a 100. It's 100 points. Come on. It's the easiest one.
It's
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm out for blood, so.
Suze's turn. And you're
Can
tied
I
for
do
first.
array prototypes for 200, please?
You bet. This returns a new array containing the results of calling the given function on every element.
What is array.prototype.map?
Very good. 200 points for Suze, bringing you to 600. Emma, your turn.
We'll do array prototypes for 500, please.
Going big or going
Nice.
home. This adds one or more elements to the front of an array and returns the new length of the array.
What is array.prototype.unshift?
Very good. Killing it
Can
on
you
the
tell I was
arrays.
studying for interviews?
I can tell that you have your array methods all memorized. So that is one I'd have to look up. Okay, Divya.
Let's see. What is turns out JS for 300?
For 300. This purely functional programming language has a built-in architecture for building front ends.
What is Elm?
Elm is correct.
I would
Yay.
never have known that.
Hooray.
Good job.
Non-studying. I'm purely just grabbing general knowledge.
Okay, Suze, your turn.
I gotta name that stack for 300, please.
Name that stack for 300. A majestic four-footed beast, or a tech stack centered around a popular search solution.
What?
Mm.
Okay, a majestic four-footed beast or a tech stack centered around a popular search solution. Majestic four-footed beast. I'm going to hate myself if I find out what this is. A majestic four-footed beast, which
Or-
could be anything, because I think all four-footed beasts are majestic, so my imagination is me. Or a tech stack centered around a popular search solution.
Yeah, maybe forget about the beast and think about the search solution.
Yeah.
I'm so helpful. I don't think Trebek does this. He just sits there and stares at you. Gonna have to take a guess.
Now
Now or never.
I'm gonna pass.
Okay. So Suze goes down, and Emma has a chance to steal.
I'm really bad at tech stacks. I know it's probably around this popular search networks framework to some extent, but I can't think of any acronyms with this. So
Okay.
I'm going to pass.
All right, Divya, would you like to steal? You got Jamstack, right?
I know, but at the same time, I'm like not familiar with tech stacks around search engines. I was like,
Okay.
there are not that many. It's like DuckDuckGo.
Oh, I know what it is. Damn it!
What it? No,
Oh,
This is a 400
so
point
a duck is
question,
not a
so-
four-footed beast, though.
No, I know what it is.
All right, so
And it
Divya,
was
you're
my
passing.
first instinct.
I'll pass.
The answer is the elk stack.
Oh, what?
Okay, I would never have known that. Okay,
That's
Of
not
course
a
not.
majestic beast.
An elk? Have you ever seen an
It
elk
is.
run?
That's very majestic.
Very majestic. The popular
Okay, we've
search
got
solution
different
is Elasticsearch. Elk stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash,
Oh.
and Kibana.
Yeah, I kept thinking of Elasticsearch. That's what I thought of the whole time, and I was like, who designed this around the Elasticsearch stack, though? And yeah.
All right, that
Anyway.
was Suze's turn, so now it's Emma's turn.
Whew. Wow, I've been sucking at everything else.
You're running out of array
Um,
prototypes. You better go for a 100.
I better just go for array for 100.
All right. This returns true if every element in the array satisfies the testing function.
What is array.every?
You are now 100%.
I'm an array expert.
Yes, you are now
Very
an array
nice.
expert. And you have 1,000 points, putting you in first
But
place.
that's it. I'm going to fail all the rest of them.
You're in the lead.
you're in the lead. Yeah, this is
Nice.
great.
I would like to just say we're all in the positives here, so I'm feeling pretty good about this group. Divya, your turn.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do name that stack for 400.
Okay.
Oh god.
The A is controversial, but these three technologies are staples of the mean stack. We're looking for all three.
Oh, okay. It's Mongo Express Angular Node.
So which
Is
ones
that?
are the
Do
three?
I just name? Do I just name? Wait. Do I have to name M, E, and N?
That,
Oh,
yeah,
what's the
that's
question?
correct.
Oh,
Yes.
it's just Mongo Express and Node.
Very good.
I gave the extra A, by the
You
way, so
did.
I should get extra points.
Well, the A is controversial, so it could be Angular, Some people like Mern or Mevin for React or Vue.
Oh, okay.
But the M in the end.
No, it's actually Venom for Vue. It's...
Oh. People are always changing their stack names. Okay. Good job. You got it right. Sue's your turn.
Can I do turns out JS for 400, please?
This controversial language aimed to expose the good parts of JS with a cleaner syntax. Some of its ideas inspired JavaScript features.
Ooh. Controversial language.
Aimed to expose the good parts.
I'm going to go with my first instinct here, which could be wrong. But I think it is what is CoffeeScript.
Very good.
Nice.
And you get those 400 points. You now have 700 and just passed Divya for second place. Emma, your turn.
Yay.
I guess HTML for 400.
Okay.
All those 500s.
A self-contained composition in a document, page, application, or site which is intended to be independently distributable or reusable.
What is an iframe?
I'm sorry.
I have no idea.
Divya, would you like to steal?
Hold on. I need to read the question.
A self-contained composition in a document, page, application, or site, which is intended to be independently distributable or reusable.
Like reusable across sites or what?
Or reusable. I don't know. Probably on the same page.
On the same page?
Or maybe not.
This is HTML, right? Yeah.
Are you stealing this or are you passing?
Wait. I need like 10 seconds to like
What
process
even?
this.
Okay.
Let's say, what is section?
No, I'm sorry. That's wrong.
Womp.
Wow, that was a really wrong noise.
That was close,
Yeah, I
though.
know.
That's our steal wrong, which hasn't happened yet.
Okay, that's
So,
fine.
Suze, would you like to steal? It's not section. I would say that was close, though, Divya.
I'll take a
Oh,
swing.
thanks.
Oh, well, if it's close, then I feel like my answer might be wrong. But I was going to say, what is a custom component?
Are you going to actually say that, or are you just telling me what you're going to say?
Yes, what is a custom component? Oh.
Ooh, this is a killer question.
Ooh.
Suze and Divya both missing on steals. Emma, you missed as well? Or who guessed this one?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, did I dock you your points? Yeah. 'Cause
I
you
was
had
at 1,000 before.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
hard
at
to track it
1,000.
all. Yeah, so Divya was close. It's actually article, which is a
Oh
very
my
common
God.
element, but just a very strange way of describing it.
Mm-hmm.
Is-
So blame it
Yeah.
on Nick or blame it
I
on
still think
W3
custom
Schools.
component is way better.
I actually think custom component is really reusable, if that's the
Yeah,
thing
I don't know what article has to do with distributable and reusable, but you know.
Well, like you could have multiple articles on one page, so it's reusable in that
Yeah.
way, but they're independent entities. Like you could use an article as a standalone. Anyways, I don't know. I'm not trying to
Boo.
defend this description and write this. Let's go on. That was Emma's turn.
Oi.
Like Divya's turn
Ugh.
now.
All right, let's go for the hard hitters, I guess. Why
Okay.
not? While you're low. Let's do turns out JS for 500.
Okay. Created and maintained by Facebook, this language
Yes,
offers a new
Reason ML.
She didn't even let me read
That
it.
was. I don't even know how that is a 500 question, though. It literally spells it out for you. Like, that's
Yeah,
ridiculous.
exactly.
That's so easy.
I
I'm so
have never heard of that
See,
before
Emma
in my
didn't know
entire
it.
life. I've
Okay,
never
so that
heard
is
of that.
my bad. Sorry, I should not have said it was easy.
So
That
much
was,
criticism.
very
No,
easy.
that's
question.
payback for the 100 question.
Fair enough. Fair enough. The hardest part with these boards is actually figuring out what are hard and what are easy. Okay, Suze, your turn.
Can I get Internet of Tea for 300? Let's just be
Okay.
a little bit
Remember
moderate here.
Everything here begins with T. An object's sometimes elusive self-reference.
What is this? Okay.
Very good. This
That's not too bad.
yeah, there you go. Suze gets 300. Now it is your turn, Emma.
Okay, Internet of Tea for 400, please.
When are we? New date without any arguments. I've never
What
actually
the
read that one
heck?
out loud before. That's incredibly confusing. When
That
are we?
is very
When are
confusing.
we?
New date is instantiation. You can see the backticks there. You're calling
Yeah,
new date
no, I
without
know
any
that.
arguments. Okay, well, I was saying it for the
Jerod.
audience sake.
The extra help.
What is a timestamp? I don't know.
What
Who
what
wrote
is
this?
Yeah, what are they asking? Like, is
Yeah,
it
that's what I don't understand.
When
I
are
wanna
we?
steal.
Divya, would you like to steal?
when? Okay, I'll steal.
Okay.
It is time. I actually, I'm like very nervous about this now. Like, I'm just gonna, yeah, whatever. Just dock
Okay,
me.
Suze, your turn.
When is now?
It starts with a
Oh,
T.
I'm sorry. That's
Are you freaking kidding? Okay.
what is today.
Oh my
Are you
god!
kidding
Now
me?
should
That
be
is absolutely
no.
rude.
That is
no, that's, I'm
rubbish.
sorry.
Can we-
It is absolutely when
Can
is
we
now.
all agree? Can we all agree that question doesn't count? As that was the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
I can't believe I lost points for that. It is when is now. How can you possibly allow today? That is the rudest.
When you call new date without any arguments, it always returns the current date
Oh
today.
god!
Internet of T.
I was
It has
like,
to begin with a T.
Time zones, whatever.
Moving
I'm not
on.
a sore loser, but that was very disappointing.
I will find whoever wrote these.
I got a mutiny on my
Oh.
hands. Okay, well, everybody got it wrong, so it's fair.
Oh god, that was
I still
brutal.
say I got it right.
I'm angry.
Suze, it has to begin with T. Now it does not begin with T. Okay, moving on.
Oh my god! I didn't
Oh,
even think
it
of that.
begins with T.
Oh,
yes.
Today.
Okay, fine. I accept this then.
Oh,
I just
thank you.
totally
Okay,
forgot
good.
the topic.
Okay, whose turn
Oh
is
yeah,
it?
same. Me too. I think it's mine.
Okay,
Was it?
Divya's
Wait,
turn. That was
Did-
Emma's. Yep.
That was Emma's question, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because you.
I sort of wish that the questions had the categories associated so I could
Yeah,
remember.
I didn't.
Yeah,
actually
it is
find
hard
the
to remember.
category.
That's a good point.
Like,
we can
what?
do that round 2 of this
For the future.
board. Mhm.
Okay. I'll do the last 200, please.
Okay, this turns out JS 200, boasting static type checking and other tooling goodies. This claims to be JavaScript scales.
What is TypeScript?
Correct answer,
I
TypeScript.
hope Nick is proud of me.
I'm sure he is.
Well, Nick's in the chat saying he didn't write it, so. Oh, be-
That's not actually Nick. That's an imposter.
you're not saying he's proud of you because you got his question and you're just another reason.
I didn't say Nick wrote it. I just didn't say he didn't write it. Okay. Suze's turn.
Mm,
Full disclosure,
name
I
that
wrote all
stack
these
for
questions, so you can
500.
blame me.
Let's do it.
Which one?
Name that stack for 500. Although
Okay.
I feel like all the other ones were.
The team at Neo4j would love you to use this stack. It also includes GraphQL and React. This is a true 500.
I don't actually know. I'm not sure I know what the stack is actually called. I know exactly what you're talking about. The team at Neo4j would love you to use this stack. It also includes GraphQL and React.
We'll need an answer.
No. I mean, I know this is not correct, but I'm going to just throw it out there. What is Apollo? Yeah, it's a tool, not a stack.
Okay, Suze misses. Emma can steal.
I will not steal.
Emma passes. Divya can steal.
I don't even know. Like,
Then I would suggest not stealing.
I'm not going to steal because I think it's like, yeah, I don't even know what
So-
it is.
Yeah, wise choice.
Suze was on the right track. The technologies are GraphQL, React, Apollo, and Neo4j.
What was
the
it?
The
Grand
stack
Stack
name
or
is called the
something?
Grand Stack.
Oh, I've literally never heard
Oh,
of that.
the grand.
I had not heard of
yeah,
it either.
no.
So as I said, it's a pure 500.
Yeah,
That's a
I
tough
knew
one.
Apollo was wrong.
Okay, we go to Divya.
All right. Let's do. Okay, I'm gonna do. I'm like on the up and up, so I don't want to get very boastful at this time.
You are. You're now in first place. This is.
I'm gonna
quite-
go. Let's do 100. Let's do Internet of T.
Internet of T. Reminder: all answers must begin with T. Rotate, skew, scale, skew, or translate an element.
What is transform?
Very good.
That's a good one.
Yay!
Divya with 600 is still in first place. We go to Suze. There's 3 left.
Yeah. So there's no chance of me being able to come back unless I get the 2 500s.
Well,
So-
I'll remind
Wait.
you that round 2 is double trouble, all points double. So this game is nowhere near over.
Wait, there's another round? It's been
Yeah.
like half an hour already. Okay.
Well, we got an hour.
I guess. Well, you know, I feel like I don't care about getting a quick win at this point. So
Okay.
the HTML semantics are incredibly tricky. But I will take that anyway
Okay.
over an esoteric thing starting with T. So
This represents a position within text where the browser may optionally break a line, though its line breaking rules would not otherwise create a break at that location.
represents a position within text where the browser may optionally break a line, though its line breaking rules would not otherwise create a break at that location. This could be many things. It's definitely HTML, right?
Yes, this is an HTML element. Everything in this category is an element.
Represents a position within text where the browser may optionally break a line, although its line breaking rules would not otherwise create a line location.
We'll need an answer.
I'm going to pass.
Okay.
This is nothing obvious for me.
Emma for the steal. 500 points on the line, Emma.
No, I'm not going to go for it.
Okay. Divya with an opportunity to...
Okay, I
Cement
want to
her
take a
lead.
crack at this.
Okay.
I'll take a crack at this. What is BR?
Oh, so close, Divya.
That's what I would have said. That's
The
what I was
correct
gonna say.
element
Really?
is WBR, which stands for word
Oh my
break.
God damn.
And it is indeed esoteric, which is why it's a 500-point question. You're literally one letter off. Okay, we go
I
to
know. It's
Emma, but
heartbreaking.
you kept the game close. Emma, your turn.
I'm going to do Internet of T for 500, please.
Okay, Internet of T. This group meets every 2 months to evolve the definition of JavaScript.
Are you serious? That's a 500 question. Come on.
Oh my gosh, come on.
So rude.
I know the answer, and it's totally
This
just
is
blanking
really
right
rude.
now.
You got this, Emma.
I feel very attacked for my board here.
This is a 500 question. Seriously.
I know, ridiculous.
I should have picked that one.
Emma, we're gonna nonetheless. Emma doesn't know it.
I've totally blanked now that everyone's over there. Like, it's so obvious. It's so obvious.
No, it's fine. Well, you got it.
You got it.
I cannot remember for the life of me.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Well,
have to say
Divya's gonna take
Yes.
the lead.
wrong answer.
What is TC39?
TC39 working group? Very good, Divya, with a 500-point steal, which means she gets the last clue on this board. Name that stack for 100. Divya,
Let's
name
do it.
the lamp stack.
Oh my. What does that?
Uh-oh.
Okay, I know that it's Apache, MySQL, PHP. And then the L stands for Linux. Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP.
Very good. That brings us to the end of our treble round. Emma at negative 300. Divya with a commanding lead at 700. And Sue's pulling up the rear at negative 800. But
I told you there'd be a dip.
don't delay. We
Yeah, it
have
was.
twice as much trouble right around the corner. Stay tuned for round 2 coming up next. Linode is our cloud server of choice. Grab the Nanode plan for just $5 a month, just $5. That gets you a gig of RAM, a blazing fast 25 gig SSD, and 1 terabyte of transfer. Let's be honest, you can go a long ways on that $5. When you do need to scale up, their prices are predictable, so you can put your calculator down. You won't need it. We've been running changelog.com on Linode for years, and we've always impressed by their award-winning support team. Check them out at linode.com/changelog. Once again, that's linode.com/changelog. We are back for round 2 of JS Danger, HalfStack edition. It's double trouble. That means all points are doubled. Our categories for this round are obscure web APIs, document.title. This is where the clue is the title element of popular websites, and you must name the website. Category 3 is node drama. Hopefully no drama in that category. Category 4 is CSS select star. These are all selectors. And the last category, talk protocol to me. Popular internet protocols. Suze, the board is yours. Where would you like to start?
Oh my god, my colleagues are watching this. Oh, this is horrible. Sorry.
Suze, your turn.
I'm going to pick talk protocol to me for 400, please.
Okay.
That's like my favorite topic.
This old school protocol for sharing files typically runs unencrypted on port 21.
What is FTP?
The file transfer
I couldn't
protocol.
remember if that was Telnet or FTP, but Telnet is more for like text
Telnet's
communication.
22, I
so,
believe.
okay. Yeah. No,
Yep.
wait. Yes. Yeah.
I
That's
think
why I
that's
got
right.
confused.
Yeah,
Okay.
very close. Very good, FTP.
Woo.
Okay, off to a good start. Emma, your turn.
All right, let's see if I can get in the positives. Can we do CSS for 400, please?
Okay, you give the selector. I give you the thing. This is how you select active links. You can just say it out loud.
Isn't it just the pseudo selector for active? Like,
Give me the
colon,
actual.
colon.
We're looking for the actual selector.
okay, so A : active.
Oh.
Is it
So-
1?
Oh, Divya for the steal.
Select active links. Is this? I feel like it's active. Is it like a focus or something?
Are you going to try to steal?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your steal answer?
I did focus.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Suze, would you like to steal?
Yes. What is a : active?
Wait, wasn't that what
Emma
said?
gave me 2 colons. We were looking for 1 colon.
No, Jerod, I
No,
challenge
no.
this. I
What?
No, it used to
I
be
thought
double
you said
colon.
A. Okay.
It used to be double colon, and they've changed it in a more recent version.
Okay. So you're
So
saying
I
a
would
double
like to
colon would also
challenge
work?
this.
Okay.
Technically, yeah. So the double colon selectors are pseudo. Oh, okay. I see. I lied. So double colons are pseudo elements. Single colons are pseudo selectors. Never mind.
Okay.
Fair enough.
All right.
Yeah, like before and things like that.
Those
Right.
are freaking confusing.
Wow.
They are.
I somehow thought Emma said active, and I was like, if that's not the answer.
Well, that's why I
No,
said she
I
was
did
so
say 2
close because she said
colons.
colon active. And I
Ah.
was like, oh.
Oh, I promise I did not see Steve's answer.
No, I know. We've just
Okay.
asked
I
them
have-
to not.
All right. So
No,
that
I
was a
didn't
tricky
assume
one.
anyone did.
For that category, we will be requesting like the actual selector for each of those. So, okay, that was Emma's turn. Divya, you are up with 300 points.
All right. So you said document title is guess the website based on the document title.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, let's give this a spin, shall we?
Okay.
Let's do 400. I feel
Okay.
like 200 would be like weird and tricky.
Where developers learn, share,
God damn.
and build careers.
Is this like what is Stack Overflow or something? Oh, yes.
Stack Overflow.
You were
Right.
so
That was really
inconfident
well
too.
done.
You were like,
Good job. Okay. Suze.
Can I do talk protocol to me for 600? Sorry, I just love protocols, but I'll probably show myself out with this one. So let's do it.
I don't want any of them. So
Respond with Synac if you
Oh.
got this.
Respond with Synac if you got this. What is SYN?
We're looking for the protocol itself.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
What is TCP?
Very good.
Sorry.
Hooray.
Thank you.
That's all right. I didn't say that out loud, so I wasn't clear.
So,
So we're looking for the
okay.
protocols in that category.
Oh,
Good job,
okay.
Suze. You have 600 points, and it's Emma's turn. You have negative 700.
okay, you don't have to remind me. I am trying to redeem myself. You know what?
It's
We're
just
gonna go big or go home. Let's do CSS Select Star for 1,000, please.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Maybe it's a hidden easy one. We'll see. Okay, this is how you select all elements with a underscore blank target.
So it would be hard bracket, and then double like the semicolons, or not the semicolons, the quotations. I'm losing my English, and then target equals underscore blank. with a dot in front of it because we have to select all elements with that attribute.
I'm going to give it to you.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's technically correct, but it's very close. And maybe they both work.
Oh,
what I was looking for was square bracket target equals underscore blank square bracket. But potentially, did you put double quotes
You can
in there?
put the quotation. You are
You
allowed
can
to
put it.
Yeah,
you
I thought
can
that
put quotations.
Okay, I thought that might work, which is why I gave it to you. Yep,
No,
just
you're
wasn't
allowed
sure.
to.
Fair enough. Good job. You got it right. It's 1,000 points. You have 300 points.
Hooray.
Finally. It's all downhill from here.
Okay, Divya, your turn.
All right, let's see what obscure web APIs is for 200.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm so scared of this.
Shake, rattle, and roll your way to unique features with this API's hardware knowledge.
What is WebGL?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. And Suze, would you like to steal?
Yeah. Does it has to be the exact name of the feature?
It has to be recognizable.
Like, I'm asking. It has to be recognizable.
I mean, if I know what you're talking about, it's fair.
Yeah, what is the gyroscope API, accelerometer, API?
Not quite close enough, I don't think. You might disagree.
Ugh.
Emma?
Come
I'm not doing it.
The correct answer is the vibration API.
Oh, gosh.
Oh,
What
okay. I
even?
thought it was the pitch and
Yeah, I
roll
thought it-
one.
Yeah.
That's
I also
fair.
thought shake, rattle, and roll was just like a metaphor to mean like animations.
I thought it
yeah.
was just doing this.
My initial idea was going to be a shake to undo kind of reference, but I thought that was too easy, so I changed it to shake, rattle, and roll. Now you have the inside baseball. I'm sorry, that was a bad one. Okay, let's go to Suze.
Talk protocol to me for 200.
She's staying consistent.
We're all staying in our lanes.
I'm glad.
Say
Just take it.
HELO to start the conversation.
I have no idea what this is.
Oh no.
Say
HELO.
hello. HELO. Is
Yes.
this a trick question? Maybe this is obvious to everyone else.
This is the first thing to send on this protocol.
Say hello to start the conversation.
Yeah,
Why is there only one L?
because that's the actual text that you send.
Oh, I see.
HELO.
So we're talking about the web, right? So
We're talking about the internet.
the internet.
The internet.
I think you could say the web.
Huh.
Yeah, roughly.
What is? I'm gonna guess.
Okay.
What is telnet? Okay. I forget how you start with telnet. I think you could just type, right?
I think you just type out whatever you want. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You just connected. Good. Okay, Emma, would you like to steal?
I would not.
Okay. Divya, would you like to steal?
I'm passing. I don't know.
Okay. So HELO is the first message sent in the beginning of an SMTP conversation.
Oh, I actually didn't know that. That's cool.
The simple
I learned
mail
today.
transfer protocol. The second thing you say is mail from. So that was too easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew the mail from. But
Oh.
Start with a hello.
That's awesome.
This is how servers send email to each other. Okay, next up is Divya.
Nice.
That is interesting. Okay.
How is that a
I will-
200? Just saying.
That should be 600.
Always a critic. Okay.
I want to open the Pandora's box. I want to know what node drama is.
Divya wants some drama.
What number should I pick? Let's pick let's pick 400. Let's see what's behind that.
Okay. A December
Oh,
2014
God.
fork
Uh,
that was later merged in after establishing the Node.js foundation. We're looking for the name of the fork.
Oh gosh. Was this what is Node together? No, I think this was before. No, this
It's
is
incorrect.
before that. Yeah.
Susan, is it ready for a steal?
yeah.
Hold on,
Oh.
Jerod. I just want to say you skipped my turn.
Oh, shoot.
Just saying, because you went from Suze
Oh
to Divya.
no. Okay, so
We'll loop back
after
around to
me.
you.
Yeah.
We'll go Emma, Suze, and then we'll go back to
I'm just
Emma.
being a hard ass. It's
I'm
fine.
sorry.
No,
No,
because
we
this
wanna be
changes.
fair. We
It
wanna be
changes.
fair.
Yeah, this does
the
change
path of the
things.
game.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. So, Suze, you have a chance to steal here.
Is it what is IOJS?
Very good. IOJS was the...
God, I remember that
Oh,
so
nice.
clearly. I remember literally where I was working and all the discussions around this.
So there's some no drama for you. We'll go back to Emma now since I skipped her, and then we'll go to Sue's next, and then we'll start the next round. So Emma, your turn.
We'll do CSS for 800, please.
Staying consistent. Select every P element that is the last P element of its parent.
P : last child. Last dash child.
That is incorrect.
Really?
Divya, would you like to steal?
Colon.
Are you stealing?
P single. Yeah.
Oh, gee,
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
Say
It's P single colon last dash child.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's also incorrect.
Oh wait, what? Okay,
Suze, would you like to
carry
steal?
on.
How many points
What?
is this?
This is worth 800
A lot.
points.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
Because it's not a child, you want all of them. You
Yes.
don't want the last child.
Every P element.
So I haven't done
Every
this in a
P-
long.
Oh, it's like not.
I haven't done this
Oh,
in a
I
while,
see.
but I'm going to do P : last. Yeah, see, I didn't think it was that either. I
The
haven't done
correct
these in
answer
like
is
ages.
P : last of
Last of
type.
type.
Last of type.
Very
Right,
Does anyone
close.
because
use
they
that?
aren't children.
Right.
I just want to
Okay.
say, look at our scores and they're all negatives. What does this say about the board?
Yeah, you
It
can
means that
judge
it's
the board all
a
you want.
challenging game.
It is a challenge.
It's a challenging game, and we're overconfident. That's what it is.
Yes, we definitely are.
I think that's a fair statement. Okay, so that was Emma. Now we're going to skip Divya because I went out of order. We'll go to Suze.
Yep.
Okay. I feel like I kind of like ran my luck out with Talk Protocol to me. So we'll save that for like maybe a Sue's catch up steal round. So
Okay.
I'm gonna do CSS select star for 200, please.
Okay. Select all elements with class equals party.
Oh my gosh.
Period party.
Period.
I thought that was a trick question. I was like, oh my god, I'm
It's
gonna
almost
get it wrong.
too
That
easy.
couldn't. I would have been mad if it had been a trick question.
It's
I'll
more
just-
that I didn't really think about it. I just kind of blurted it out. So.
I'll just say that with that answer moves you into first place with 0
Very
points.
nice.
You say that like it's a good thing, but
It's a non-negative number.
That's
so
right.
let's
That's
go
true.
with
You're out of the red. Emma, your turn.
CSX
Excuse me.
for 6.
CSS
I'm not even drinking.
for 600. Select input elements with no required attribute.
Mm.
With no required attribute?
That's correct. How do you select input elements with no required attribute?
Oh, okay. So it probably uses the not pseudo selector. So, okay. So the hard brackets and inside required, and then : not. I don't know.
Nope.
I don't know.
Divya, would you like to steal?
I'll pass.
Okay. Suze, would you like to steal?
I do, but I'll pass because I'm not 100% confident.
There you go. It's input : optional.
And I would have been
What?
wrong.
So if you select input : optional, it will give you all the inputs that do not have a required attribute, which is kind of cool. I actually learned that making this. Okay.
I'm learning a lot. I'm actually not up. Like I used to be the selector queen, but then, you know, like in the last 5 years, I've lost my edge. So this is awesome. So
Awesome.
happy learning this.
Happy to hear that. Divya, it's your turn.
Let's do document.title for 600.
The front page of the internet.
Oh my gosh. Is this like what is Reddit.com?
What is reddit.com? Very good.
It's
I
on
wouldn't
my
have gotten
front
that.
page, but
That's what they see. They write their own titles. So this is like websites according to themselves.
I mean, I figured people at Reddit think they are the front page, but
Yeah.
only for dudes.
Suze, your turn. The front page of internet for dudes just doesn't have the same ring to it.
I'm going to take obscure web APIs for 400. please.
Okay. This API replaces the now deprecated WebVR API to make room for AR2.
Oh, I know this one.
Is this a trick question?
Depends on how tricky you think it is. I don't think so.
Okay. My best answer is, what is web AR?
Correct.
Oh, I know what it is. Damn it. Okay. No.
Emma, your turn. First steal.
I'm not going to steal. I don't know anything about APIs.
Okay, Divya for the steal.
I'll steal. Is it
Okay.
what is WebXR?
Yes. That's
Correct.
I always forget that A is not the generalizer. It's
Yeah,
the
it's like
X.
extends.
Right. If you put VR and AR together, you have extended
Yeah.
reality, or some people call it mixed reality, but they use an X instead of an R, or instead of an
Yeah,
M.
mixed reality is like
Yeah.
a Microsoft term.
So WebVR is old and busted, and WebXR is going to be replacing it here soon. That is an obscure web API, though. That was Suze's turn, so we're back to Emma.
I'm just going to preface this with, I feel zero confidence about the rest of these, so this is just going to be a massive dumpster fire. I guess we'll go with document title for 200, please.
Okay. News and podcasts for developers. Smirk. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Oh god.
News
I don't know.
and podcasts for developers.
Trick question.
Divya, no clues.
No clues.
I'm not. Yeah.
I have zero idea because I don't listen to podcasts.
This is like worse than you didn't know for us.
Jared.
Oh, this is the.
Okay,
what is hacker news? I don't know.
That is wrong, and we are offended. Divya, would you like to steal, please? Please
Yes,
steal.
I'd like to. Steal. What is the changelog?
Yeah, changelog.com, where we make news and podcasts for developers. Okay, I'm not offended. It is.
You're gonna fire me, aren't you?
Divya's turn. No.
All right, let's do obscure web APIs for 600.
Okay. What the what? This API gives you visibility into tasks that take 50 milliseconds or more.
Oh gosh.
For you performance nerds out there.
What is? Oh my gosh, I think I know it. Shoot, what is it called?
This API gives you visibility into tasks that take 50 milliseconds or more.
It's like at the tip of my tongue, like the performance thingy. I'm not gonna get. Oh god, I know it because I've used
We'll
it.
need an answer soon.
What is that thing called?
Now or never.
I'm blanking. You can just pass, yeah.
Okay. Suze, would you like to steal?
No, I don't have the fully formed name in my head. So
Okay.
I'll pass.
Emma, would you like to steal?
Heck no.
Okay. So the API that gives you visibility into tasks that take 50 milliseconds or more is the Long Tasks API. That is a tough one. Okay. That was Divya's turn. So it is now Suze's turn.
I'm really bad at the document.title stuff because I literally just don't go on sites that other developers go on. Like, I don't go on Hacker News, or I wouldn't even know what the tagline of Hacker News is, for example. So I'm scared of that topic.
Okay. Are you scared of no drama? You seem to know no drama.
No drama.
No, I mean, I don't like the topic.
But you remember
Let's
things.
do no drama for 600. Why don't we just go for it?
A second major fork,
Oh,
dubbed
gosh.
AYO or AO, occurred in 2017 amid controversy surrounding violation of this document.
Violation of this document. Was it the Node.js code of conduct?
Correct answer.
Yeah.
The code of conduct.
I don't want to think about that either.
Yeah,
It
that's
just
the
It makes me
worst.
mad. This whole thing just makes me mad.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
We're not naming any names in this category. Let's go to Emma.
Do we have to
Come on, Emma. You can
have
do
a
it.
document title for 8?
Document title for 8. Discover the world's top designers and creative professionals.
Well, the creative professionals thing makes me think it's maybe not Dribble at that point, but maybe it is.
Is that your guess?
What is Dribble.com? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Nice.
Oh,
Very
thank
good.
God. That would have been so embarrassing.
That brought you right back in the game. You're tied with Divya at
Mhm.
negative 500. Sue's still in the lead at positive
Yay.
200. And we're getting to the end of this board here. Divya, it's your turn.
I'll do the last document.title.
For 1,000, the JavaScript
The
organization.
JavaScript organization.
Yes.
What is the OpenJS Foundation?
I'm sorry, I can't count
It's
that.
Jared's personal portfolio, isn't it?
The JavaScript organization. Okay, well. Hooray, negative many points. So, Suze is next. Or does she want to steal?
Yeah, I don't want to steal because I can see from Divya's answer that it's really easy to mess this one up.
Yeah.
Because like it's a technicality related, so I'm going to pass.
Yeah.
It's too ambiguous.
Yeah, Emma, you probably don't want to steal either.
How did you know?
Because I think this is hard. Well, let me say that. Actually, let's stop the stealing. Let's put Divya's answer under further review because
I think that Divya was kind of correct.
the actual answer we were looking for is js.org.
That's what I would have guessed. Are you kidding me?
But
Yeah, but I feel like OpenJS Foundation
Yeah.
is like the collective.
well, that's why I was starting to think
but-
like maybe she actually got it right. But we're looking for the what do you ladies want to do here?
I mean, I'm gonna lose, so I don't really care.
Well, we'll
It's
just leave
fine.
you
I'm-
alone.
I'm-
Just leave it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm not petty. It's all good. I know in my heart of hearts that the real JavaScript
Divya, you were
organization-
right. You were right.
I mean, we can give her the
Thank
points
you.
back. This is our game.
I mean, they do organize a conference and they do rally like all the communities
Do they-
around it.
do
I
they
don't know what
operate
JS.org
JS.org?
does.
Do they operate js.org? I think they
don't-
do.
I don't know actually.
I'm gonna go
who
ahead and
runs
give it to you.
JS.org.
I'm gonna give
I'm
it to you. I
actually
think they
looking at
actually do
JS.org.
run js.org. Maybe we can get a
Literally
quick-
never seen this website in my entire
Neither.
life.
Well, js.org, it's the JavaScript organization. Duh. No, it's
I mean,
it's where people get free subdomains for their things. So
This
you can
was
have,
definitely a 1,000 question
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
yeah, that's true.
I just saw Emma pulled up the website because it's bright yellow and I could see that in her video.
It's so bright.
This is
and her
not the
face
website
lit
I
up.
thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, neither. I
No.
thought it was going to be the OpenJS Foundation.
I think it's operated by them,
Linux
and it's
Foundation.
free for developers to put their packages as a subdomain. So you could have
It's probably just a random
divya.js.org.
dude that bought it and was like, donate to the JavaScript Foundation on to my personal PayPal.
I don't think so, but we'll
I have
we'll
no
give
idea.
Divya the correct answer there. I think she got it. And if not, listeners,
Thank
you can
you.
correct us later. Suze, your turn. We'll get into the end. Hey, Jerod here. As much as I hate to admit it, Emma was right and I was dead wrong on this one. JS.org was created by Stefan Keim, who dedicated it to JavaScript and its awesome community in 2015. Its purpose is to provide short and sleek subdomains for your GitHub Pages site, and it's completely free thanks to Stefan, Cloudflare, and many other contributors. You can support Stefan's work with js.org on PayPal. I linked it up in the show notes for easy click-ins. Sorry about that, Stefan. Okay, back to the game. Suze, your turn. We're getting to the end.
Let's do no drama for 200.
The Runtime's original developer is now working on rearranging its letters.
oh
Oh,
gosh.
Oh, I lied. We do name
Oh
names. This
my
is a name.
god.
So this is like the name of the person, right?
Yeah, the original developer.
Who is Ryan Dahl?
That's correct.
Do you know that he was Ralph in my head for exactly 10 seconds and I was like, it's not Ralph.
Ralph.
You know, when you're on the spot, my brain was like, it's totally Ralph. I'm like, it's really not.
That's
I
hilarious.
really-
It's not Ralph.
I just have to say this category is just very upsetting.
I
It
apologize.
just really is.
Jared, I also just want to tell you that js.org site has 800 followers on Twitter, and the PayPal goes to a random guy named Stefan. So I'm pretty sure that's not legit. Just saying.
We'll have to double check.
I'm glad
We'll
Divya got the points. I'm
we'll
glad
fact
she got
check
the
on that.
points. Don't
I'm
send
pretty
them money.
sure js.org is run by the JS Foundation. Okay.
Really?
I think so.
Anyway,
Let's go
No
to whose turn was that? That
Emma.
was
I think it was-
Suze on no drama. She got
Yeah, it's
Ryan Dahl
Emma now.
correct. She now has 400 points. We are on to Emma.
can I just sit at negative 500 and let them battle it out? 'Cause I don't know any of
Oh,
this.
No.
You probably ended up
You
winning
didn't
that.
give
All right,
yourself
fine,
enough
no,
credit.
you got
You don't
it.
give yourself
I
enough
don't know
credit.
any of this stuff. I don't work with APIs, Node, or protocols. I'm not a web
You might
developer.
find it.
Anyway.
You totally.
Hey, maybe
I
you'll
bet,
surprise
there'll be
yourself.
I bet you there'll be a 1,000-point question that was easy as pie because that happened last time.
Yeah,
How
that's
about
true.
let's do web APIs for 800.
Okay. A set of APIs allowing the manipulation of CSS from JavaScript.
There you go.
I feel like I should know, but I should know this.
A set of APIs?
I don't know. I don't use any of this stuff. So I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay.
Divya for the steal.
I'm going to take a crack at this one. I don't even know if it's right. What is CSS and JS? I don't even know if that's a set of APIs, though.
Nope. Not what we're looking for.
It's not.
Suze.
I'm going to take a crack. What is Houdini?
Oh, actually, Houdini is a very good guess.
That's a good guess. This one bit
Yeah.
everybody. This is the CSS object model.
Oh, God.
CSS OM.
Okay.
Just like the DOM, but the CSS.
I didn't know that was an API.
I didn't know that was an API.
I thought it was a
that's just model.
representation of a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rude.
Well,
Absolutely
is the
rude.
DOM an API?
Not really.
The DOM
Yes.
has an API.
Yeah.
The DOM has... Yeah, you have an API to interact
No.
with the DOM. It's not directly...
Yeah.
A set of APIs. You're going to argue that the DOM is not a set of
Well,
APIs.
Houdini is a
Honestly,
set of
Houdini
APIs.
is a set of
I
APIs.
liked your answer. I liked Houdini.
That was
Thanks.
a good
wasn't-
answer.
I
was just-
appreciate it.
I
I'm
appreciate
actually
that
happy
answer.
to lose points on the fact that my answer was better.
All right. That's a win-win. Or a lose-lose.
That was a good
Okay.
answer.
Divya's turn.
All right. Let's see. What do we have? Oh, should I do obscure web APIs or let's just do let's just do obscure web APIs for 1,000.
Okay.
Go big.
Avoiding no drama at all costs. This makes it possible for a server to send new data to a web page at any time by pushing messages to the web page.
Yes. Why is it every time I know the name in like totally I'm really bad. I have really bad I know this. What is sockets?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Sue, would you like to steal? This makes it possible for a server to send new data to a web page at any time by pushing messages to the web page.
Yeah, I don't think it's what Divya is talking about because that's not obscure. I don't think that WebSockets are obscure.
That's true.
I know exactly what this API is, and I think I know the name, but I'm actually going to pass on it.
Oh, wow. Extreme
I just want to see if
self-control.
I'm right.
Okay. Emma, would you like to steal?
I definitely don't want to steal.
Okay.
It's such a simple name.
So the correct
That's why I
answer
don't
of the
trust it.
API is called server sent events.
Yes, because here's the thing: server sent events is like one version of it, though.
Mm-hmm.
It actually has other. There's another thing.
There's
that you
other
can
ways of
use.
accomplishing the same goal.
Exactly. So I didn't trust myself to pick the right one. The server sent events is the Safari one, right?
I think
that
it's more
right?
than. I think it's more than
It's
just
more
Safari,
than
but you
just
could be
Safari.
correct.
I thought
I've
that
never
was
actually
on
used
Safari.
it. It's so obscure, and there's other ways of doing it. So,
Well, it's problematic because there's multiple. Yeah. Anyway.
all right, let's move on. That was Divya's turn. Suze's turn.
Oh my god.
No drama or talk protocol to me. I feel like this is an obvious choice for you, isn't it? The protocols.
Well, I've been performing the best in these two categories.
You're poised to win here.
I don't think that's true. I'm not enough in the lead. I've only got 900 on everybody, so I'm going to do talk protocol to me for 800.
All right. Ping. This IP protocol was developed by DARPA in 1981 and is still used today.
IP protocol, but and it's ping, which is the trick. I feel like this is absolutely a trick question. 100%.
You're always attacking my questions.
This
Well,
is
Jared,
very,
we're all in the negatives pretty deeply, so.
IP protocol was developed by DARPA in.
I actually thought I made this board
1981.
easier than the last round, Emma. We need a new question writer.
I know what the ping is bloody hinting at too. I know this, but I don't know what the simplified term for it is. As in, I'm overthinking it.
Okay. Do you have a guess?
I mean, No, I'm going to say the wrong answer just because it's the only answer I have,
Okay.
which is ARPANET. But that's not actually, that was their invention. So
Right. We're looking
it's
for the
not actually
protocol.
the protocol.
Emma, do you got a steal on this one?
No.
Divya, would you like to steal?
I'll steal.
Okay.
I'll steal since. What is UDP?
I'm
Aw,
sorry.
man.
The correct
I think
answer
putting in
is
UDP.
UDP's
ICMP, the Internet
Oh,
Control
yes.
Message
Okay.
Protocol.
I guess UDP is still used and is pretty popular.
If you're ever pinging another computer or running traceroute, you will be using ICMP.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I always forget this one. I
All
thought it
right.
was actually like literally IP.
So Emma's turn. We have no drama for 800 or 1,000, and we have talk protocol to me for 1,000.
Well, they both seem terrible, so let's go with the least amount of points, please. No drama.
After IBM acquired the owner of this popular
Oh.
node package, its lead maintainer was
yes.
forced off the project.
What's
It's
the
sad because I
question?
worked at IBM, and my parents worked at IBM, and my grandparents worked at IBM.
I don't think it was their fault.
No, but I feel like I should know this. I have no idea.
Okay. We'll go to Divya for the steal.
I feel like my guess is wrong because the name has already been surfaced. And actually, it's a popular node package, so I don't know. I'm just going to pass.
Okay. Sue's for the steal.
Oh, I'm absolutely going to hard pass.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know this one.
Okay. So the name of the package, which has actually changed hands multiple times, started by TJ Holowachuk and then transferred over to Strong Loop, which was then acquired by IBM. And the maintainer of the project worked for Sencha, which was an IBM competitor. The project is Express.js,
Never would have guessed.
which is a very important project in the Node community, which is why it's
That's
Uh-huh.
probably the only one I should have known about.
All right, we have no drama for 1,000 and talk protocol to me to 1,000. And Divya, it's your turn.
All right, let's do no drama. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Drama is a package
God.
that implements this conceptual model for JavaScript and Node.js.
I have never heard of this package. Drama is a package that implements this conceptual model.
I will, since it's so hard, I will add that drama is a bit of a play on words or a conceptual play.
I'm gonna have to pass because I have no idea what that is.
Okay. So negative 1,000 for Divya. And Suze can steal.
I know of the package,
Mm.
but I don't remember exactly what it does, but I know what it's related to. So I'm just going to pass because it's not even solid enough for me.
Okay. Emma, would you like to steal?
I'm passing because if they both get theirs wrong, I somehow win.
I bet it has something that
I'm guarding,
Yeah.
my,
But, I mean,
I'm
there's-
guarding my lead right now. But
Yeah.
There's
I'm
double
actually-
jeopardy.
I'm probably going to stand to lose to Emma.
There you go. So drama is the name of a package that implements the actor model.
Oh,
For
yes.
JavaScript.
You're so funny, Jerod.
Ah.
No, I'm not funny. I didn't name the package. The
I
package
didn't know
name
we
is
had the actor
drama.
model. I didn't know we had the actor model in JavaScript now. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's so good. I want to play with this now.
There you go. So you learn something new every day. So that was
Mhm.
Divya's turn. So Suze, you're the last one for the board of Double Trouble.
Yeah.
Talk protocol to me for 1,000. I'd tell you a joke about this protocol, but you may not get it, and that's totally okay.
What is UDP?
Wow. So Divya was off by 1.
I was off by
Yeah.
one.
I
Yeah.
really felt for you then, Divya. I was like, no, Divya, do you need anything?
Okay.
All
At
good.
the end of Double Trouble, we have Emma with negative 2,100. Divya with
Yay.
negative 3,100. Try not to laugh, Jerod. Suze in first place with negative 200.
First place in a negative.
Yeah.
We'll be right back for Final Trouble. It's going to get dangerous. JS Nation Live is just around the corner. attend the biggest JavaScript conference in the cloud. It's all happening June 18th and 19th, and they're expecting more than 25,000 attendees from all over the globe. Get your free tickets using the link in the show notes. You heard that right. The tickets are absolutely free, so you've got nothing to lose. Head to the show notes, grab a ticket, and we hope to see you there. And we are back for Final Trouble, wherein each contestant bids how much they think they can score
All right.
before the answer. The category, ladies, is this prolific JS Party panelist has appeared on 67 of our 129 episodes. Please send me how much points you're willing to wager. Wait, I screwed that up. I didn't give the category.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you
we
gave
were
us the
supposed to
question.
get the
I gave you the
category.
question. Son of a gun.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't going to say anything.
Yeah.
Well, you guys just sent me your bids, but now you got to send me your answers.
Okay.
Just send me both.
Okay.
Just send me both.
All right.
And we'll just come back and answer it. Ah, gosh. Okay, the bids and the answers are in. Let's start with Suze. Suze, you wagered 200 points. And your answer of the prolific JS Party panelist is the one and only K-Ball, and that is correct. So Suze has 0. A valiant effort. Very good. Very good round for your first time. Let's go to Divya. Divya wagered 500. She also answered K-Ball, so she got that correct. We'll give her 500 points. And you end up with negative 2,600. That leaves us with Emma, who also answered correctly K-Ball. And she wagered 300,000 or 3 million.
It was 3 million.
It was 3 million. So with that amazing bid, Emma wins this round of JS Danger.
She just,
Very nice.
that is smart.
I never would have gone that high, so I never.
I
would have
know,
gone it.
neither. I was trying to be modest.
So displaying her savvy for gaming and her desire, Emma Bastian totally redeems herself. You are the winner of JS Danger HalfStack Edition. Congratulations.
Oh gosh. Thank you. I've been waiting my whole life for this.
And that's our show. If you think this was a ridiculous game, you are correct. This game is ridiculous. Every single time we play it, we have lots of fun. We hope that you enjoyed it. And that's our show for this time. We'll catch you all next time. Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time.
See ya.
Did you do better than our panel? Were my questions terrible? Should we open source our game board? Let listeners submit their own questions? Let us know in the comments. Click the discuss button on the episode page or in your show notes. It's right there at the top. Thanks to Suze, Emma, and Divya for being good sports. To Breakmaster Cylinder for our JS Danger theme song and all of our beats. To our sponsors, Fastly, Rollbar, and Linode. And of course, thank you for listening. Remember, without you, we're just some insane people recording our conversations for absolutely no reason. That's all for now. Real World Svelte next week.